everyone, Lori Whitlock here. In this video, we are going to put together these beautiful butterfly pop-up cards. This is an example of one here in front of me. It has this gorgeous 3D butterfly that pops up when you open up the card. These are 5 by 7 in size, and I've got 3 new designs. And this is a look at one of the other ones. Look how pretty they are. You can put colors behind the different panels. I've given you little sections that will cut out for each of those. And there's a really pretty front that goes on the front of each card. This one says birthday wishes. This one says thank you. And here's another one that says celebrate. And this one has a really pretty pink butterfly inside. Aren't those beautiful? I just love these. So let me show you how we're gonna put these together. Basically, it's quite simple. It's just basically a butterfly piece that looks like this and one that looks like this, and one has a slot from the top coming down and one has a slot from the bottom coming up, and those are just going to hook together. You'll notice some score marks here right along the bar, so you'll want to fold on those, and you're going to want to fold one direction with one set and the other direction with the other set. And we're just going to slide those 2 butterflies together right through the middle there. Of course, if you wanted to put the embellishment panels behind, you'd want to go ahead and do all of that. And I did provide a covering panel for the back of that so that you don't see all of those seamed pieces on the back side. Looks like one solid piece on the back. You can decide if you want that or not. It does add a little bit of weight and thickness, but it's really not bad. The card's probably less than 1/8 of an inch thick. So once you have those together, you can basically just take your butterfly and fold it right in half. And you're going to glue it where you have 1/8 of an inch gap at the top and the left, right in the middle of the card. So you'll put some adhesive, just go ahead and line that right up down the middle here. And you'd put some adhesive on this strip and go ahead and close the front, flip it over and put some adhesive on the back side and close that. And once you've done that, you're just going to put your covering panel right up next to that piece. It's like I said, it's 1/8 of an inch from the top and the left. And this panel, it's from the left, the right and the top. And that covers up your little black panel underneath here. You can see where that is on this piece. It's just right there under the covering panel. So that works out really well. You don't have to cut a large piece that fits under there. There's just these 2 little bars that put it right in place. And with that placement and with that glued down right where it's going to go, it forces that butterfly to open up just like this when the card opens. So it's just really a pretty mechanism. So let's just take one more look at that. Each of those designs. This one's got some really simple but pretty embellishments. This one has got a little bit more detail in those wings, which is really quite stunning. And this last one is a little more dainty, I think. It's just a little more feminine maybe, but so pretty. So I hope you have fun making these gorgeous pop-up butterfly cards, and I will see you in another video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.